T and I'm 23 years old. I have worked here at VUS for 4 years. Actually, my friends introduced me because she works as a teacher assistant. So she said to me that if I'm looking for a part-time job, VUS is a great environment for me to grow personally and professionally because my major is pedagogy of English. There's many reasons, but I guess that the environment is what kept me here. Because I got these connections and these great relationships between my managers and the teachers. So I always got their assistance in classroom and outside the classroom. Also, I love working with kids. On my birthday, I didn't tell anyone it was my birthday, but somehow the teachers I'm working with, they know, and then they decided to give me a present. And also they asked the student to draw pictures and make a birthday card for me. And I still keep it. Just last month, when I graduated from university, I also get another present from a teacher that I'm working with. I'm proud to be a V connector. Happy Teacher's Day!